Hi there and welcome. This is Dr. Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share. Today I want to focus on something many educators, students, trainers, content creators use every day: an external drive. On my Mac, I use external drives such as Seagate Backup Plus and portable SSD to store videos, course materials, teaching resources, documents, photos, recordings, and projects. These files are very important because they're part of my teaching, my content creation, my online courses, and my work with learners. But sometimes files on an external drive are suddenly missing. A folder may appear empty. A file may be deleted by mistake. A drive may not show the files I expected to see. Or I may format the wrong drive and only realize afterward that important materials were still there. This can happen to anyone who depends on external storage. It can happen to an educator preparing a course, a student working on an assignment, a trainer saving presentation files, or a content creator storing videos and images. That is where Wondershare Recoverit can help. Recoverit is a data recovery software designed to scan storage devices, find lost files, preview them, and recover the files you need. In this video, I'll show you how Recoverit can help recover lost data from an external drive on a Mac. This video is sponsored by Wondershare Recoverit, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, I open Wondershare Recoverit on my Mac. Since I want to recover files from an external drive, I choose the external drive where the files were lost. The process is simple. I select the drive, start the scan, and Recoverit begins looking for files that may still be recoverable. This is useful because external drives often hold the files we do not want to lose. For educators, that might include lesson recordings, handouts, Moodle course files, presentations, certificates, or student resources. For students, it might include assignments, research documents, projects, photos, or video presentations. For content creators, it might include video clips, thumbnails, audio files, images, edited projects, or screen recordings. Recoverit scans the external drive and organizes the results so I can look through different file types. This can include documents, images, videos, audio files, and other formats. This matters because when a file is missing, I may not remember the exact file name. I may only remember that it was a video, a PDF, a document, or a folder of teaching materials. Being able to browse by file type makes the recovery process so much easier. Once Recoverit finds files, I can preview them before recovering it. This is an important step because I do not need to recover everything at once. I can check the files first, confirm that they are the ones I need, and then select them for recovery. After selecting the files, I click Recover. One helpful tip is to save the recovered files to a different location. I should not save them back in the same external drive where they were lost, right? Saving them to another drive or to my Mac helps protect the recovery process. Now the recovered files are available again. This is why Recoverit can be helpful for people who depend on external drives. It gives you a clear way to scan an external hard drive or portable SSD, preview lost files, and recover the files you need. Recoverit can help with external hard drive recovery, hard drive data recovery, and recovering deleted files, recovering lost data, recovering formatted drive data, video recovery, photo recovery, and document recovery. Of course, recovery files can depend on the condition of the drive and whether the missing files have been overwritten. If you notice that files are missing, it is best to stop using the drive and scan it as soon as possible. For me, external drives are part of my teaching and content creation workflow. I use them to store videos, course files, documents, and other materials that I do not want to lose. A tool like Wondershare Recoverit can be very, very helpful when important files disappear from an external drive. You'll find the official Wondershare Recoverit link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe. Add your comments, I love comments, and share it with other educators, students, trainers, or content creators who use external drives. See you in the next video.